Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the App Store on your Amazon Fire TV. Now, if you press the home button and return to the home screen here, we can go over to Find, the search icon, and go down, and we can find the App Store located right here, where we can search for apps. We can see our app library. If we want to see the installed apps on this TV or the ones that aren't installed, if we deleted them, we can find them really easy to install them right here. Then we can go to Featured Apps, Games, in all categories. Now, another way that you can find the App Store is on the home screen. If we scroll all the way over to the icon next to Settings and go down, we can go to the App Store under here as well. We can go to Get More Apps. Then we can go to the App Store and we can find the same screen. So to find all your apps now, go back over to this icon, go on down, and you go to My Apps right here. So once you've downloaded them, you can come to this section and you can find your apps. Then I went to the App Store under the application list, and I was able to move it to the top right here. So you should be able to find App Store under your apps. And then I moved it to the top bar so I can always find the App Store right here, so I don't have to click around the screen a lot. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.